Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm standing in front of the Whitney Uptown. This is a beautiful high-rise that's in the Uptown Dallas area. It's gorgeous, and you know what? It's been recently renovated. It's been around for a while, and it had been kind of run down, and Whitney came about two and a half years ago and just really started scrubbing it down, improving it, renovating it, making it beautiful, and now, wow, I think you're gonna love seeing what it looks like. So we're gonna go take some videos of the Whitney Uptown. We're gonna show off the amenities. We're gonna show off a couple of apartments in there, and we're also gonna walk around just a little bit so you can see what it's like around here in the area, and I think you're gonna love what you see. This is a fabulous part of Uptown Dallas, and they really needed to do this to the Whitney. I'm so glad they did. So now let's go do that. This is gonna be a series of about probably 12 videos, and so just watch them all. This will be the best tour you ever need to take of the Whitney Uptown. And if you have any questions at any time, send me a text. Just use the number below. The next video, we're gonna actually walk around this area a little bit just so you can see how cool it is. So let's do that literally right now.